was it working with Satyaraj?
Amazing, I should say, because there is a very beautiful scene, a couple of beautiful scenes in our combination, and I'm sure every father and daughter would get connected to this because everyone. It's just common between a father and a daughter. Whatever happens, that is what happens in the movie. And Shailaja is a character who's not very expressive, very covert-hearted, who keeps everything within herself.
Right.
So for such a character and such a dad is also someone who's like that. So when that is put together and those sort of scenes together, it brings a lot of emotions. So and there were a few scenes where I had a lot of dialogues with him in the climax. That worked out really well because Kishore used to give me a lot of time. See, when we have to take a shot, say it's a master shot, usually what we do is we finish the whole of master shot, then you come to the close-up, then you come to the suggestion. So there is this emotional scene between me and my dad. So just because Kishore wanted to travel in the same mood, what he did was and it's not that I am not a person who can by heart like 2 days before come to the set and spit it out. So what I used to do is right before the shot I used to take 5 minutes, learn that particular dialogue and then say. So what he used to do is he used to give me 5 minutes, we finished the master shot and we went in the same order. We didn't change it because he wanted it in the same mode. So it was one master shot, it was one suggestion, it was one close-up, again a master shot. So not everyone would take the pressure to do that.
Yeah.
But Kishore and Sameer sir, the DOP, both of them, they had the patience to take that up, and even Satyaraj sir, he was amazed because even they are, they are very patient to do that. And because I'm a person who can't do, I can't listen to prompting. I'm not good at prompting. So so I want to by heart the dialogues, make out the meaning and everything, and then do it. So he was also very patient. He used to sit and he used to appreciate. So I was. It is difficult because when you have to downplay a character, when you have to be a little subtle, it's very difficult than being a lot expressive. So you can be loud how much ever you want, but when you have to be subtle, you have to make sure that you are subtle, but people are watching you on screen, but that should look expressive as well.